1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What?
Bhangra is a really high energy dance from the North Indian state of Punjab. It's a folk dance. So it's often performed at harvest festivals in more casual settings, just among friends, kind of similar to a lot of other cultures where you have some sort of dance at major celebrations. But now Bhangra has become a competitive dance form all across the world, which is really cool because it's been able to move beyond Punjab, beyond India, and take on different styles and different forms in different parts of the world.
Jump to one side a little bit, and then bring the other leg down.
This is actually the first workshop I taught, and like one of the reasons why we hold these workshops is to kind of like almost give back to the community in terms of like we feel we learned this incredibly fun dance form, and we want to be able to share that with the rest of MIT.
5, 6, 7, 8.
I had seen dance as a really good way to express yourself and, a really good way to stay fit and have a fun time and meet a new group of people. And Bhangra just seemed like all of that combined into one. People come up to us and, I see this too. They say, you guys look like you're having a great time. You look so happy. And that's really why I wanted to join MIT Bhangra. I wanted a community where I could always be, having fun, a place where I could de-stress, people I could talk to. Being part of a dance team starts out as, really loving the dance form, but what it becomes is like a community and a family that you can appreciate for many, many years.